second night love, night love. Blew up a shooting white dogs. Every time we get in slow mo, pure intention with the cycle.
Yeah. Every time, every day, every moment that we make, shawty got no late, cause I'ma call you every eight. Love you with you shady, I don't care about what they say. Hit you with my love and I'ma put you up above. Grab your phone cause I'ma send you with my high note. Riding slow, we getting tripping, but it's normal. Tonight we tripping, 2 grams we blazing. We feel amazing. Pero no hay placer.
Turn the lights on. Hold my hand and feel the tight love. Every time we get in slow mo, pure intention with the cycle. Every time you say goodnight love, night love. Blew up a shooting white dogs. Every time we get in slow mo, pure intention with the cycle. Thinking about you cause you don't even text me. Late replies and I hate it. Send you my list but you don't give a fuck. All that shit's underrated. Got this feeling it's fading. Don't sugarcoat, no nothing. Clocks get fast but you don't give a damn. Lost in the mids and something. Matter of fact, I know that you love me. Even though you're acting shady.
Every time you're acting crazy, I lose my shit feeling hazy. When all this shit's getting heavy, baby, you acting naughty. Wish we could go back to time when it's wavy.
Lights on.
Baby, turn the lights
Hold my
on.
hand and feel the tight love.
Yeah, hold my hand.
Every time we get in slow mo,
Every time we getting slow
pure
mo.
intention with the cycle.
Pure intention with the
Every time you say
cycle.
goodnight love, night love.
Every time you say,
white dogs. Every time we get in slow mo,
every time,
pure
every
intention with the
moment.
cycle.
Yeah, pure intention, yeah.
Baby, turn the lights on. Hold my hand and feel the tight love. Every time we get in slow mo, pure intention with the cycle. Baby, turn the lights. Pure intention with the cycle. This shit's normal. Feel the tidal club sticking up, yeah. Serving through my zone, yeah. Fading up your soul. We're so powerful. Shit, we got it all. Feel the vibe so